This is one of the coolest tools I made. It is about the profit calculation. And in this tool, when you start, you will have these example values populated. And why I put these example values, because most of the time when you start, if it is empty, you will not see anything. And you will have to fill one by one to just see its beauty. So it is already pre-populated. And you can see nice plots. And if you want to update it, you just update one by one each value so that you can see the result in the real time. And let me explain every single input field. Let's say you are from some other country. You can change your currency. I choose a euro. It gets updated everywhere. And there is also preset. Like if you're on a Shopify plan, then basic or grow or advanced. This profit calculation will take care of those amounts as well. And here, when you change it, let's say Canada, this value will be updated for Canada or Australia. It will be updated for them. And let's say if you are some other countries like Indian rupees, in that case, you just choose anyone. Let's choose it the USD and it is advanced fee. And as you can see here, 105 is populated. You can update it to, let's say, 100. And here, change the currency to Indian rupees and update it based on your country's price. I tried to include all of the countries, but it is kind of too much for looking into each country's data. What is Shopify costing for that country and including is kind of very cumbersome. This is a free tool, so I didn't have much time. But you can edit each of these one by one, like what is the card rate? Each transaction? What is the fixed fee? You have to update each year based on your country. But let's choose it back. Within this, it is already populated. And on the right side, you can see nice plot like how much your discount is eating your revenue, how much product is eating your revenue. This is the product cost, and this is the shipping cost. And these values are updated here. Let's say if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. This is optional and the discount will be disappeared. And here, to discount will be disappeared. And here, cost of goods sold per unit, you can adjust that based on your expenditures. Here, packaging cost per unit. Units per order, selling price, everything is adjustable. And here, for returns, I have also included a toggle. Let's say you are having a 5% return rate. Because there are some lousy customers, you know that already. And you can include the cost, and you can include the restock losses, and then it will include that in the visualization as well. And here, you can turn it off if you are not using Shopify payment. And in that case, it will adjust the right side view. And here, it is showing that for Grow, it is best for you. And you can imagine, it is decided by the volume of transaction. Let's say you are having lots of transactions. And in that case, you will be paying fixed cost. Instead of this 25, it will be a little bit higher, but here, cost for a card transaction is a little bit lower. So overall, this will be profitable as the value increases. So far, the merchants move from basic to Grow and then to advance. And here you will see nice plot, like currently you are at this position. And if you increase your per month, you will be moving over this. And as you can see for the advanced or basic time, you will get a nice profit calculation. And here, everything is broken down. And if you want to share this data with your friend, your manager, you can simply hit the share button. It will copy that link. And if you open a private window, let me show you this. I paste, you see all of those input fields are result in this URL, and I hit enter. As you can see, all these values are pre-populated. Whatever you updated is populated. Here, United Kingdom is selected. I had selected GBP here to show you, and the pound is shown. As you can see, everything is captured by this URL. So this is a shareable piece of technology. And I have tried my best to explain every single formula, every single definition here. And if you got any questions, ask them in the comment section below. By the way, I'm building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization, so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which Pinterest board these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.